Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to conference. My name is Jagdeep Singh. I am currently working as a assistant professor in the Department of Hospitality Management at Chandigarh University. On the behalf of my co-author, Mr. Andrew Wright, I would like to direct your attention to the screen in front of you. I will be showing my presentation on the topic of post-pandemic innovation approaches to the teaching and learning, a case study of IGNOU, world's largest university. I would request you for your next few minutes for your complete attention. Let's start with the international part first. The Indira Gandhi National Open University, IGNOU, established by an Act of Parliament in 1985. It has tried to increase the gross enrollment ratio by offering high quality teaching through the open and distance learning ODL mode. The university began by offering two academic programs in 1987. Example, Diploma in Management and Diploma in Distance Education with 4,528 students. Today, it serves the education over 3 million students in India, other countries through 21st, 21 schools of study and network of 67 regional centers, around 2,000 learner support center and 20 overseas institutes. The university offers about 200 certificate diploma, degree, and doctorate programs with a strength of nearly 250 faculty members and 230 academician staff at the headquarters and research center over 35,000 academician counselors for conventional institutions of higher learning, professional organizations, and industry, among others. The mandate of a university is provide access to higher education to segment of society, offer high quality, innovative, and need-based programs at a different level to all those who require them, promote, coordinate, and regulate standard of education offered through open and digital learning in the country. Okay, so they do have international department which look after which cater to international countries as well. So it was established on 16 October 1997 as a cell and was upgraded to a status a full-fledged division in 2002. It is known as International Division. The International Division is nodal agency to cater the need of overseas students as foreign students resident in India, which is FSRI. The division also functions as coordinating agencies for overseas study centers located in selected countries across the globe. The International Division offers special academician program to IGNOU to other students as well. So, namely, they have institute center in Abu Dhabi, UAE, where few are mentioned in front of this screen. Next, we'll be talking about the impact of COVID-19 on our education system. COVID-19 pandemic is an ongoing global outbreak of coronavirus illness. This was later upgraded to pandemic status on 11th March 2020. As of 3 June in 2021, over 171 million confirmed cases had been reported, which over 3.68 million confirmed deaths, making COVID-19 one of the worst pandemics in the history. We'll be talking about some challenges that faced by in our education system. COVID has brought a lot of drastic change to our world. There has been immense loss of life and health all over the globe. It has affected business industry all over, and our education sector has been also affected by COVID. In the education sector, we have faced the dilution of academics because of COVID and the limitation. It has set our teachers and students. However, we'll be talking about the perspectives, some of the positive things that happened just because of COVID only. Online education helped millions of students across the globe to stay connected with their academics and their teachers, thus helping them push through these times and saving them from complete loss of education. Online education has been around for a quite some time, but now it was not taken up in very serious manner. The pandemic got it all in the dismissed intra, where we had to push through certain obstacles which were earlier ignored or not addressed. The student and teacher both had to educate them on the various technology features of internet and various devices connect with each other and keep abstract of their various courses. At the last, I would like to conclude that my topic. COVID has affected the whole world. with tens of loss of life and health. But it has also given us some gifts which we need to keep close to our heart. We need to remember to be kind to each other, be more human in our attitude toward each other, and we also can now see the world post COVID, where education will not only limit to physical presence in the classroom, but an open platform which is accessible online. Online education has opened new avenues for students world over, explored new opportunities which are earlier to explore. God bless the world. Thank you so much for your attention.